or porosity. After forging, the balls are cooled in controlled conditions to prevent cracks. The next stage is flash removal, trimming excess material squeezed out during forging. Flash trimming machines use rotary cutters to achieve a uniform round outline. Forged balls are then subjected to heat treatment, including quenching and tempering. Quenching involves cooling balls rapidly in oil, water, or polymer solutions, increasing hardness. Tempering follows, reheating at lower temperatures to balance toughness and ductility. Heat treatment ensures the balls can withstand impact, abrasion, and continuous rolling. For bearing applications, steel balls must achieve Rockwell hardness levels above HRC 60. Balls used in grinding